Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today, I'm going to be continuing what I did yesterday with the Malagasy clothing. And so what I'm going to be drawing today is the basically female clothing for what Singuri was wearing. Anyway guys, let's go see what I made. So this girl, she's actually a dancer, and she does pandi vakujazana, which roughly translates into traditional dancing. Traditional dancing tells a story sort of like a play. She's wearing a silk scarf, which is called lamba landi. The silk used is only found in Madagascar. All the Malagasy in all the regions wear the lamba, but wear them differently and have different kinds of lamba landi. But the standard color in Antananarivo is white. These dancers always wear a long dress and dance and sing. And they usually perform on weekends and on holidays, Asaramancha, at Ni Anitsina, the market. And you don't bump into them. They are specially hired for special events. So when I was sketching this, the reference photo had 6 layers for the skirt. I'm not really sure what the name is for that. So I did a quick sketch, and she's in a dancing position. And I decided to make her lineless because that is my style. I tried line art, but that simply isn't me because you have to think about the line weight, the importance of some elements, and you have to make them straight and smooth and stuff. So here I'm planning the colors. I'm planning the skin tone first. That's usually what I do first. And then I am planning the dress color. In Malagasy tradition, in Antananarivo, usually the dresses are red when they dance. Otherwise, their clothing is usually checkered and pastel colors. And then I'm going to do the scarf, or lamba ladi. I decided to make the scarf in off-white because I didn't want to have to deal with if the background shows up as white, then no one can actually distinguish the scarf or the lamba from the background. Usually I give my white a yellow tint, but I decided to go for more of a gray. I'm not sure why. Anyway, so I began to color in. What I do is when I draw, I think of it all in terms of layers. Like the neck is behind, the neck's behind the head. There's the back part of the arm, like what I'm doing right now. There's the behind the arm, and then there's the front of the arm. And the neck goes behind. It's difficult to explain, but it makes sense once you see the finished piece. So yeah, you just draw the neck. It doesn't matter if the back part is messy, because you're going to add the lighter part on the top. And I forgot to put it on a separate layer, which is extremely useful when you're drawing something. You have to make sure it's on a separate layer, because then it makes your life so much easier, because then you can just do alpha lock when you want to add details. But I didn't remember to do that, so I finished the hands, the front of the arms, and the face, and then I realized they were on the same layer, so I decided to redo them. So yeah, here I am. I'm redoing it. It's kind of sad. And I tried doing a couple of tricks to separate them, but I figured it doesn't matter because Well, it's okay. I can just redraw them. I tried selecting the layers and copying the selection, but in the end, I just erased it, made a new layer, and drew the exact same thing. Because it's a lot more convenient, it saves time in the long run, and it doesn't require any fancy tricks like I was about to do. So you see me here coloring in the face. I do sort of large shapes and I add details later. So yeah, the face is that light shade of brown, and it's a very simple flat color. And I am also putting back the hands because I erased them because they didn't quite fit what I needed them to. And yeah, I like the way it turned out. For me personally, I just love the way lineless art looks. There's just a sort of aesthetic to it, you know? You look at it and you're just, wow. Not only is it just easier for me personally, it just looks better to me. I don't know what it is. So here, I looked at that other arm and I was like, it seems a bit off. So I decided to redraw it and fix it up a bit. So yeah, it's all good. bit of time drawing, I finally finished. This is what I resulted in. I really enjoyed making her, and I love the way she turned out. She seems so happy and energetic, like she's actually dancing. Anyway, guys, that's all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. You can get my stickers on my Redbubble. Go check me out on Soso Artsy 13. Thanks for watching. Bye!